Ebi babigambira izoba w'ekitongoze kiramuzi cyaba n'ekitongoza y'ehururu yo kurwanisa akakooko ka siriimu aha mirimo kandi omukoro ogu gwakorerwa ha kooti enkuru ya Mbarara. Abantu 3,300 nibo biine akakooko ka siriimu omuri Mbarara. Inidi Wamani kuruga omu kitongole kya Uganda AIDS Commission yagira ngu obwahati Mbarara City eri ahari 13.8% ahiguru y'obwihanga ryona obw'abantu abaine akakooko ka siriimu oburi ahari 5.5%.
A big issue that it was then. Back in the early 90s, we were having around about 18 people out of every 100 people with HIV, 18% prevalence. But today, as we speak, we are at 5.5 HIV prevalence. In other words, out of every 100, around 5 to 6 people have HIV.
Yagira ngu okurigira hakuchondoza abana babishiki abakiri bato biine akakooko kusinga bojo.
So you have HIV among young women and young girls a lot higher than young boys. But the fact to that is that many of these young girls are actually acquiring HIV from older men. And again, this is research that has been made.
Yagira ngu ekikanyisa eki n'okushanga ngu abantu nibashambana n'omuntu arengera hari omwe.
This week they are with partner X, next week, maybe over the weekend, partner Y, and next week is partner, within that same period, they are having more than one sexual partners, so concurrently, and that is a very high cause of HIV infection.
Justice Joyce Kavuma uri kura kote enkuru ya Mbarara yagira ngu encourage neija kuchendeza okutuntuzibwa kw'abarwire ba siriimu aha mirimo kyongera omuhimbo.
Will contribute to productivity, it will boost morale and create a conducive working environment that's free from stigmatization.
Also now to empower the stakeholders and other partners that we should now look at the mandatory testing. Because once we have the population who that understands the status, the individual understands his or her status, that one shall help us much more.
Ehururu egi etebekanizibwe kwenda kumaraho okutuntuzibwa okumaraho kushorora n'omwoga gwa buri muntu. Aha bwa TV West and Adolf Ayireka.